Trays loading for Unit 7. Full tray ready for loader. Tray entering Unit 7.
Humidity at 45%, increasing to 47% for optimal hatch. Confirmed. All units green. Moving to day 7 candling.
Careful with these, they're still damp. This tub is almost full. Sending it down the line.
Refilling this low trough to ensure all chicks get their dose. Marking progress, timer shows 159.45 remaining.
42.5 grams. 43.2 grams.
Water level's good, refilling low troughs. Vaccination complete, updating log.
Starting respiratory check. Respiratory sounds are clear, proceeding to leg check. No leg weakness, gait test next. Flock is healthy, recording all normal.
Quality is perfect. Increasing flow rate now.
Growth is on target. Feed conversion is slightly elevated but normal. Proceed with growth cycle.
Final health check on day 28. All systems look good. Drawing blood samples for disease screening. Labeling samples for the lab. Starting health certificate for market clearance. Day 32, final growth week. Birds average 1,900 grams. Density at maximum comfort. Some birds rest in shavings. Cheese and leg health are normal. Birds display healthy white plumage and active demeanor.
Feed consumption is steady at 160 grams. FCL is at 130%. No additional delivery needed. Feed quality is good. Schedule maintained until 10 hours pre-processed. Day 34 average 2,150 grams. Almost a target. Feed conversion 1.68. Prostate plant notified. Excellent efficiency. Feeders are emptied, water lines are active. Lights dimmed, crates staged at house ends. Morning schedule confirmed. Catch crew at 4 a.m. Crate line set. Vehicles at dock. Paperwork confirms 47.75 to 200 G. Ready to catch. Copy. Crew ready. Load sheet matches 47,504 birds. Ready to go. Let's get this litter cleared out. Pressure washing the walls now. Deploying the fogger for disinfection. House is clean, ready for turnaround.
Eviscerated carcasses enter the multi-stage wash system. High-pressure sprays target the cavity and exterior chlorinated water for ppm ensures sanitation. The carcasses emerge spotlessly clean.
Examining this one, skin color is off. Documenting, flagging for bruises. Abnormal organ.
Applying reject stamp. Compliance rate at 99.2%.